How to fix opening Chrome opens default app settings on Windows. 1. Set Chrome as the default browser in GPO. To do so, enable the Set a Default Associations Configuration File option at Computer Configuration Policies Administrative Template Windows Components File Explorer in Local Group Policy Editor, edit.msc. Then copy and paste \\% user domain %sys vol \% user DNS domain %, policies policy definitions Chrome default.xml into the default associations configuration files option. 2. Tweak your registry editor. To do this, set 0 to default browser setting, enable dword at computer \h key _local _machine /software /google /chrome in registry editor. 3. Uninstall both KB50252221 and KB50252239 using command prompt. Commands: musa/uninstall /KB50252221. musa/uninstall /KB50252394. Check for Chrome and Windows updates.